Today we are digging the soak pit. Very noisy. But we're on site with our product in Reigate and we're digging the soak pit. Now why is that? Whenever you do an extension, you're extending the surface area of the building. The original building had this roof. You've created a new roof with a new surface area for water to catch. That catchment area has to be discharged somewhere. At the minute, you don't have the rainwater downpipe, so it's just being discharged. But the council don't like for you to put this discharge back into their Victorian sewers. So we have additional pipes, and those pipes are going to be buried, and we're going to have all the water discharging into the soak pit. It'll soak away over time and not be put into the Victorian sewers. So that's what's happening today on our side. See you next week when you get more progress of what's happening. Bye for now.